Ever found yourself at a campsite, tailgate, or backyard gathering wishing you had a reliable stove that could handle anything from boiling a quick pot of water to powering a full seafood boil? That's why I tested the top Gas One stoves on Amazon to find the ones that deliver powerful, portable cooking performance for every adventure. From compact butane stoves to high-pressure propane burners and versatile dual fuel systems, these stoves are total game changers for camping, tailgating, emergency prep, and outdoor feasts. Check the links below for the best prices, and let's dive into the top picks. First up, for those who want a simple, reliable, and ultra-portable stove that's ready to go anywhere, we have the Gas One Portable Butane Camping Stove with Case. This compact unit has become a favorite among campers, tailgaters, and anyone who needs a quick, easy cooking solution that doesn't take up much space. It features automatic ignition for hassle-free startup, no matches or lighters required, and precise heat control that lets you simmer delicate sauces or bring a pot of water to a rolling boil with confidence. The included carrying case makes transport and storage effortless, protecting the stove between adventures and keeping your gear organized. For weekend campers, beach cooks, or anyone who wants a dependable, no-fuss stove that fits neatly in a small space, this Gas One butane stove is a reliable and affordable choice that delivers consistent results every time you fire it up. Next, we have a versatile powerhouse that gives you ultimate fuel flexibility. The Gas One GS3400P dual fuel stove. This patented design is a standout because it lets you run on either propane or butane, giving you the freedom to use whichever fuel is more convenient, available, or cost-effective at the moment. Heading out for a long camping trip where butane canisters might be scarce? Switch to propane. Stocking your emergency preparedness kit with multiple fuel options? This stove has you covered. The stove comes with a rugged carrying case for easy transport and protection, and features the same reliable automatic ignition and precise heat control as the butane model. For preppers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants the ultimate flexibility in their portable cooking setup, the GS3400P offers peace of mind and dependable performance in one versatile, compact package. For those who need serious heat for larger cooking tasks, we have the Gas One high-pressure, single propane burner. This burner is built for power, delivering high BTU output that can handle boiling massive pots for seafood boils, home brewing batches, or even frying a whole turkey for holiday gatherings. It features a heat shield and guard for enhanced safety and stability, ensuring that even with large, heavy pots, your setup remains secure and steady. The patented design focuses heat efficiently, so you get maximum output with minimal fuel waste. The single burner configuration is perfect for when you need one high-intensity cooking station without taking up too much space. Whether you're a home brewer, looking for a reliable heat source for your wort, a seafood lover who hosts annual crawfish boils, or just someone who wants the power to boil a huge pot of water in record time, this Gas One propane burner is a heavy-duty workhorse that won't let you down. Taking power to the next level, we have the Gas One 200,000 BTU propane burner. This is not your average camp stove. This is a professional-grade burner designed for serious outdoor cooking and industrial-level heat output. With a massive 200,000 BTU output, it can handle the largest pots for crawfish boils, turkey frying, or brewing batches of beer. It comes with an adjustable 0 to 20 PSI regulator that gives you precise control over the flame intensity so you can dial in exactly the heat you need for any recipe. The steel-braided hose adds durability and flexibility, resisting wear and tear even with frequent use. The heavy-duty construction is built to withstand years of outdoor cooking, making it a long-term investment. For those who host large gatherings, run a food business, cater events, or simply demand the highest power from their outdoor cooking equipment, the Gas One 200,000 BTU burner delivers industrial-level performance. Finally, for those who need maximum cooking surface and versatility, we have the Gas One Propane Double Burner 2 burner camp stove. This dual burner setup gives you two high-pressure burners in one portable unit, effectively creating a mobile outdoor kitchen that can handle breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a crowd. Each burner delivers powerful heat, allowing you to cook eggs and bacon on one while boiling water for coffee on the other, or simmer a sauce while searing meat. It features an adjustable PSI regulator for fine-tuned flame control and a 4-foot steel-braided hose for connecting to a standard propane tank. The removable legs make setup quick and storage compact, so you can easily transport it to campsites, tailgates, or backyard gatherings. For families, group campers, and serious outdoor cooks, the Gas One Double Burner is the ultimate portable cooking station. From the compact butane stove perfect for weekend trips to the dual-fuel versatility of the GS3400P, the high-power single burners for seafood boils and home brewing, and the dual-burner setup for feeding a crowd, these Gas One stoves offer powerful solutions for outdoor cooking. Think about what you need most. Is it portability, fuel flexibility, raw power, or the ability to cook multiple dishes at once? One of these stoves is the answer. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!